Building a budget can feel daunting, especially when you're balancing a busy schedule with a full-time job and other responsibilities. But an effective budget doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. In fact, with the right approach, budgeting can seamlessly fit into your routine and help you achieve better financial control with minimal effort. Here's a practical guide to creating a budget that works for you even with limited time. 1. Set clear financial goals. Before diving into the budgeting details, take a moment to set clear financial goals. These goals will give your budget purpose and help guide your spending decisions. Ask yourself, what do you want to accomplish with your money? Are you saving for a specific goal, like a vacation, down payment on a house, or an emergency fund? Or are you working to pay off debt and gain financial security? Write down both short-term and long-term goals and keep them visible. When you see your goals daily, it becomes easier to stick to your budget. 2. Track your income and essential expenses. The next step is to get a clear picture of your income and fixed expenses. For busy people, keeping this simple is key. Begin by listing all sources of monthly income, such as salary, freelance work, or side gigs. Then, list your essential expenses. These are your must-pays each month, like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance premiums, loan repayments, groceries, and basic transportation costs. This will help you see where your money is going and which expenses need to be prioritized. 3. Set up your budget with the 50/30/20 rule. A simple yet effective budgeting method for busy individuals is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs, essentials like housing, utilities, groceries, and debt payments. 30% for wants, non-essential expenses like dining out, subscriptions, and entertainment. 20% for savings and debt repayment, money set aside for savings, retirement, or extra payments on high-interest debt. Using this framework can keep things straightforward and reduce the time you spend analyzing each purchase. Adjust the percentages to fit your lifestyle, but aim to stay close to this structure to maintain balance. 4. Automate whenever possible. One of the easiest ways to stick to a budget is to automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account on payday. Many banks allow you to schedule automatic bill payments, ensuring you never miss a payment. Automating these transfers removes the temptation to spend the money elsewhere and keeps your budget on track. 5. Track your spending with minimal effort. If you don't have time for detailed expense tracking, try a low-maintenance approach. Use budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB You Need a Budget, or Pocket Guard. These apps connect to your bank account, categorize your spending, and let you set spending limits in each category, all without requiring constant manual entry. Alternatively, you can set aside 5 minutes once a week to review your bank statements and check in on your spending. A quick weekly review helps keep your budget top of mind without overwhelming you. 6. Create a cushion for unexpected expenses. Even with the best planning, life has a way of surprising us. To keep your budget flexible, set aside a small amount each month for unplanned expenses. Whether it's a car repair, medical bill, or a last-minute expense, having a cushion prevents these surprises from throwing your budget off course. A simple way to create this cushion is to add a small percentage, like 5%, to your essential expenses. Over time, this buffer will build up, providing you with a safety net for any unexpected financial challenges. 7. Review and adjust regularly. Budgeting isn't a one-time task, it's a habit. Set aside a few minutes at the end of each month to review your budget. Look at your spending patterns and see if they align with your goals. If you notice you've been spending more in a specific category, like dining out, try reallocating funds from another area next month to balance things out. 8. Stay motivated by celebrating small wins. Lastly, stay motivated by celebrating small wins. Budgeting can feel like a chore, but acknowledging your progress can make it rewarding. Reached a new savings milestone? Made it through a month without going over budget? These achievements deserve recognition. Conclusion: a budget that works with a busy lifestyle doesn't need to be complicated. By setting clear goals, automating your finances, and keeping things simple, you can create a budget that's easy to stick to and that supports your financial goals. The key is consistency. Once budgeting becomes part of your routine, You'll gain greater control over your money, reduce financial stress, and feel empowered to achieve your financial dreams, no matter how hectic life gets.